Okay, so we're continuing on with rounding our decimals without using a number line. Round to the given place value. You can draw number lines to explain your thinking if you want to. Round this number to the nearest tenth, hundredth, and ones place. So round to the nearest tenth. Here's my tenths place. I look at the 9. The 9 is going to make that 6 round up, so I get 32 and 7 tenths. Nearest hundredths place, that 7 is going to make that 9 round up. Ooh, the domino effect here. That 9 rounds up to a 10, the 6 is going to round up to a 7. So that's 32 and 70 hundredths. Nearest ones place, the 2 is in the ones place. That 6 makes that 2 round up, so I would round to 33. Round this number, 141 and 999 thousandths, to the nearest tenth, hundredth, 10, and hundred place. Round to the nearest tenth, so here's my tenths place. This 9 makes that 9 round up, so I would round to 142. Round to the nearest hundredths place. Here's my hundredths place. This 9 makes that 9 round up to a 10. If that's a 10, that makes this a 10, which makes that 142. Okay, you don't have to put these zeros here because it has the same value. Round it to the nearest 10. That 1 makes that 4 stay 4, so I would have 140. Round to the nearest 100. That 4 makes that 1 stay 1, so it would round to 100. Okay, a decimal number has 2 digits to the right of its decimal point. If we round to the nearest tenth, the result is 13 and 7 tenths. What is the maximum possible value of this number? Use words and or the number line to explain your reasoning. Include the midpoint on your number line. Okay, so the midpoint here would be 13 and 75 hundredths. And we need the maximum number that would round to the nearest tenth to make 13 and 7 tenths. Well, there are 2 digits to the right, so that means I could do 13 and 74 hundredths, because that 4 would round down to make that 7 stay the same. If it was a 5, it would have rounded up, and we can't do that. They only said 2 points, 2 numbers, digits behind the decimal point, so this is the right answer. Okay, what is the minimum possible value of this decimal if it rounds to 13 and 7 tenths? The minimum possible, well, this is 13 and 65 hundredths. Well, that would round up. If I had 13 and 64 hundredths, that would round down. So we need to round up. 13 and 65 hundredths is our answer.